Hi, this is Lee from Nextbase. This is our 322GW dash cam, the first in the range compatible with our additional rear cameras. Let's take a look. The 322GW features 1080p recording at 60 frames per second, making sure that every detail is captured even if you're viewing this back in slow motion. The 2.5-inch touchscreen makes it very easy to set up, and if you so desire, to review your footage as well. The My Nextbase Connect app uses Wi-Fi to link your phone directly to your dashcam, so you can view your footage on the go and indeed send it to the insurance company, the police, or your friends. Emergency SOS is our innovative feature that pairs with your phone, and in the event of an accident, potentially this is a lifesaver that will contact the emergency services directly with your GPS location and even details like your blood type. The 322 also features intelligent parking. If your vehicle is parked even when you're not in the car, if an impact or a jolt is sensed, this will start recording straight away to ensure that you have all of the footage even when you're not in your car. This also features a 140-degree viewing angle, so everything can be seen from the direct vision to the side streets as well. My Nextbase Player is a software application you can download to your computer, which means you can view, edit, and share all your footage. And with our super accurate GPS that refreshes your location 10 times every second, you can be sure that information such as your speed and location are super accurate. So let's take a look in the car itself. Now, it was really important to us that we make getting your dashcam in and out of your car as simple as possible, and with our patented click and go mount, it really couldn't be easier. As you can see, it's very easy to get your dashcam in and out of your car, and with our patented click and go mount, it simply magnetizes in place. The cable goes around your roof lining and connects to your car power, and we recommend you use one of our own microSD cards. This will support up to 128 gigabytes. The 322 also supports all of our rear view cameras. The first one is our cabin camera, records everything within your vehicle. The second one is the rear view camera that uses a telephoto lens to look out the back of your car. And thirdly, our rear window camera that adheres to the back of your car and records all movement from behind your vehicle. And with your 322GW Nextbase dashcam in your car, you will ensure that you and your family are safe, and you have absolute proof any incident wasn't your fault.